By the end of the video, we'll know about ultimate back exercises, complete workout routine at home. Hey there, fitness enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of back exercises, specifically focusing on a complete workout routine do right from the comfort of your home. Kickstarting with lat pull downs. This exercise targets your mid and low back muscles, helping you achieve that V-shaped look. Next, let's move on to single arm dumbbell rows. This exercise strengthens your upper back muscles, and by working one arm at a time, you can make sure you're getting an even workout. Moving along, we have inverted rows. This exercise targets your lower back muscles and helps to improve your posture. Finally, we end with good mornings. This exercise focuses on strengthening the erector spinae muscle group. Running up and down the spine is essential for maintaining good posture. And there you have it, a complete back workout routine that can be done from home. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to building strength and endurance. Try incorporating these exercises into your routine at least once a week and watch your progress develop over time. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fitness tips and advice. Until next time, stay fit and healthy.